Well guys, let me know if you see something wrong with this picture. I know it's a Ford, but there's also a Ford missing. The F350 is fix or repair daily, and it's out in the field. It's actually at work, and it got me stranded at work and I had to Uber home. Now last time I Ubered, I lost the keys, so I can't blame the big girl on that, but this time she failed me. After doing so much good things on her and owning her for so long, she finally failed me. Alright, so basically I was at work and I was idling, doing stuff in the truck, and I think I idled for about an hour. So I was just doing stuff on the computer, editing after work, after I got off. But anyways, when I was idling for an hour, and then all of a sudden it just shut off, like somebody turned off the key. So it's I don't know what it could be. The batteries are good, oil level is good. I have about a quarter tank of diesel, so that's good. But yeah, so now the plan is to load up, get a bunch of tools in the van, and go out there and see what's going on. Alright, so let's load up, go to the F350 and see what we can figure out. This basically cranks, and it cranks good, so the batteries are good. But I did bring a couple jumpers just in case I need to crank some more and the batteries are getting low. But basically, I don't know what it could be, but it cranks good. But basically we're gonna go out there and troubleshoot, check everything, check all the fuses, check blah blah blah, everything we can. And we basically, you'll come along and we'll do all the testing on the spot, and we'll go down a list and see what we can figure out. All right, let's load up a bunch of stuff into the van, tools, scanners, whatever I need, and we'll go out there and we'll see what we can figure out. Alrighty, let's get this done. Alright guys, so I just got some a can of diesel, 5 gallons, because if I have quarter tank, then it's possible that the fuel pickup could have broken off and it's not picking up any more diesel. That's possible. I'll just fill it up 5 more gallons and see what happens, if that fixes the problem. But if not, we're gonna stop by a sweet little place right here called Sinister Diesel and see if we can pick up the CPM, the crank position sensor. I think that's what it's called, right? CPM? I believe so. But anyways, well, I just hope I don't have anything blue on me. Oh crap, I think I do. Oops. Well anyways, let's go see if they have the sensor in stock, and if they are even open on New Year's Eve. Let's find out. Uh-oh, I see blue. I see blue leftovers. Let's see if they're open. Well, it looks like they're open. Let's see if they got the sensor. And this is where their scary blue stuff is made. Well, I don't know. Nobody's here. No, I think they're closed. On the Google map it said they're open, but yeah, boo, boo. And, well, they're not open. Okay, see you later. See you later. Okay, bye. Well, I guess they're not open. I guess we're gonna go to straight to the truck and see what we got. All right, and there she is. Okay, let's park next to her and see what we can figure out. Watch it randomly start for no reason. Let's see what we can do. Well, let's see if she magically starts. And let's see what happens with the RPMs and all that stuff. hopefully she slept good and starts right up. All right, wait till Starlight is on. And it's off, and let's start up. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. My goodness. What the freak? What the freak? What in the world? All that drama for nothing. Now, how am I supposed to figure out what the problem is? Well, that was stupid. So we know the fuses didn't blow. Okay. The fuses are good. But why did it stall on me? No, I don't trust her. I don't trust her one bit. I don't know, guys. What am I supposed to do? I don't trust her. Alright, well, I guess I'll drive her home and then I'll come back and pick up the van. That's my only option right now. The question is, should I take tools with me? Yeah, I probably should, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna put the tools in the truck and then drive her home. Alright, well, I guess let's do a scan real quick anyways and see what we get. Well, I don't know why, but let's do a scan anyways and see what we get. And let's see if we get any codes. Alright, well, I get the wastegate control valve code. That's overboost 8. I'm not sure what the 107 is, but let's clear the codes anyways and see what happens. Alright, and the P1000 means the computer's not ready for smog because they just cleared all the codes. But let's see what the P0107 is. Well, I don't know. Some are saying PCM issues maybe. But this guy's talking about 93, 7.3, and I have a 2001, which is a little bit different. Well, I don't know. It could be PCM. This article's talking about PCM and map sensor, so it could be. And this guy is saying it's part of the PCM. Well, I don't know, guys. I cleared the code. Let's see if she starts again. Yes, start just fine, no issues. Well, this is just terrific because, like I said, I don't trust her now. Now I don't know. I don't know if it's because I idled too long. What do you guys think? Could it be possible that because I idled for an hour, a sensor was acting up? Maybe? I don't know. And I have a quarter of a tank left. So if let's say the fuel pickup broke off and I was just sitting here idling, it kind of starved itself and it shut off. That's possible, but wouldn't it stutter before it completely shut off? It would just be like blah 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 blah, blah and then it'll just die instead of just like bam, completely just turns off right away. I don't know. the only way I can test and know if the pickup broke off is just keep driving till I get low on gas, and I do have my 5-gallon with me, so that's one way we can test that. But then again, it wouldn't just start right away, because the fuel bowl would be empty if it did starve and died. Okay, all right, well, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do, but the problem is fixed, I guess. The only thing I can think of is, because it idled so long for an hour, maybe less, I don't know, but let's say an hour, some sensors started, I don't know, overreacting, I guess, I don't know, and then just kind of shut off. And then when I tried starting it a few times, it just wouldn't even try to start. It would just crank really fast, but it wouldn't even start. And maybe because I let the truck sit for about 12 hours, maybe 10 hours. Well, I think it's about 12 hours, because I got home at 2, and right now it's about 2:50. So reset all the computers and stuff. And I didn't have a scanner yesterday, so I wouldn't know what codes I had on the truck. Right now I just deleted all my codes, so I only have the P1000, which is the one that's not ready, smog not ready. So the only way I can really see if any codes come up is just keep driving it. Drive for about 60 to 100 miles. See if I get any codes. If I don't, I'll scan again, see if there's anything that's there but not popping up on the dash, like the engine light, and see what we get. But I don't know. Have you guys heard of something like this? Like, if you're idling too long, I mean, it's not a new car. It's not like it has a, you know, the clean idle diesel semi-truck feature, which we do have at work at UPS, which kind of sucks. But those shut off after about 2-3 minutes of idling, which is kind of dumb. But on this 2001 7.3, it should be idling all the way till it's E. Shouldn't have any problems like this, or it shouldn't be acting like this for no reason. And as you can see, I'm idling right now, no issues at all. It's not stuttering, nothing. Everything is top notch, perfect. All right, I'm gonna drive this big girl home, and then I don't know, I'm gonna come back and pick up the van, or do Uber here, or maybe wife will drop me off. I don't know. All right, guys, and she's finally home. Just a quick little update. I actually did drive the truck home, and then wife and the kids, we drove back to my work to pick up her van. Then she drove the van. We went to a little restaurant, got some little burgers for the kids, and then I drove it home again. So basically I put, I want to say about 90 miles or so driving to work, well, driving from work to work again, and from work back home. So that was about 90, maybe 100 miles. And after I deleted the engine code, the engine light came on again, which was I was kind of expecting it, because that's the overboost. So now let's get the scanner up, connected, and see if we got that same code that we had at work, which was P0107, I believe, which was connected to CPM. So let's go see what codes we get this time. Okay, we'll plug it in, key on, Wi-Fi, I think it's connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see if it works. Yep, okay, connected, okay, good. Then let's go to Diagnostics. Scan all. Let's see what codes come up. All right, so we didn't get that P0107, which was what we got last time, but we did get the P1249, which is the wastegate control valve performance, which is expected, and we got the P1000 still, because I still have to drive some more. I guess I think I have to drive maybe 100. Maybe I didn't drive 100 yet, but before, I remember I drove about 120 miles, and that's when the P1000 went away. So that's gonna go away, the P1000. And the wastegate, that will go away automatically if you drive just normally and not get you boost up. If I get a tuner, that will go away as well, because the tuner takes away the wastegate, engine light, the engine code. So you guys, I don't know, everything's looking normal, no other codes, and it's driving fine, no issues. My fuel level is down to, I think, like 1/8 of a tank now, so I know the fuel pickup is not broken. But eventually I do want to actually drop the tank, delete the filters, replace the fuel pickup, because those are kind of known to break. So yeah, it's I don't know what to think of that, but let me know what you guys think. It was idling for about an hour and then just shut off completely, and I tried starting it for about 6-7 times. I even waited at work, sat there, waited, played on my phone for about 20-30 minutes, and then tried again, and nothing happened. And then now that I went to pick up the truck, now that I went to try to fix the truck sat there for about 10-12 hours, and I'm assuming that was enough time for the computer to reset or whatnot, and then it just straight up started with no issues. You guys saw in the video, it just straight up started, no hesitation, no issues whatsoever, and it's back to normal like nothing happened. It's, I don't know, it in a way kind of scares me, because I don't know, it's weird. It is weird. But yeah, I'm thinking I might as well order the CPM sensors, which is down on the bottom there, and the ICP sensor as well, just to be 100% sure that those are new and will not have any more issues. But I don't know, should I? Let me know what you guys think in the bottom. I'm curious if anybody ever had an issue like this where it idled for a while and then just died, and then the next day started up with no issues. But at least she's home, working fine, no issues, and it's December 31st. So to all you guys that watch this video, Happy New Year. Stay safe out there, and I hope you got some amazing plans coming up in 2020, having some fun with friends, family, and I'm hoping to start 2020 with no issues, because once you start a new year with issues, you're gonna have issues the whole year, right? So alright guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're gonna get back to the Mustang, and we're gonna start 2020 strong. Alright guys, see you in New Year and in the next video. See ya!